There are some massive moves and things taking place in the crypto market, and in this video right now, we are going to be talking about what these things are and where the crypto market is headed, because Ukraine just legalized cryptocurrency, and there is just incredible information that we need to talk about right now. Now, before we dive straight into the content, make sure you smash up the likes, subscribe with notifications on, and also check out the links in my video description, especially the Patreon, where we are putting out buy and sell alerts to make money in the market at all times, including you can follow all of my trades, speak to me on the phone, and much more. So what we are seeing in the crypto market is something very, very interesting. The market has been very bullish the last several days. We have been continuing to go up. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, we have had about 3 days of pure green. Now, what we are actually doing in the crypto market is we are still trading inside of this pattern, which I have been showing you all for quite some time. And we are now approaching this critical level of resistance that has been historical, that every single time we come up to it, we do get a sharp drop, crash, or rejection, whatever you want to call it. Now, what is very interesting is that cryptos are not just pumping up really fast and then coming up to the resistance level. They have actually been building up momentum, which shows a lot more strength than the previous attempts to break this resistance level or break outside of this pattern. So that's something that we are surely watching. It's looking a little bit more bullish. And also Ethereum is actually a bit more bullish as well, as we just broke this resistance level, which is something we need to be taking notice. And in addition to that, right now, Ethereum is coming up to this previous resistance level and attempting to break outside of it. Now today, if we do continue in this bullish momentum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other altcoins, we could see a continued breakout and some more days of green ahead very, very soon. And not just a little bit of green, potentially a massive breakout. Now, in addition to that, I want to share with you just some of these pieces of news that are actually very beneficial to cryptos. First and foremost, we have Ukraine legalizing cryptocurrency as it receives millions in dollars in crypto donations. So Ukraine just legalized cryptocurrency, and Ukraine is now allowing people to send them legally cryptocurrencies to help support and to aid them in the war against Russia, which there has been a ceasefire apparently for some time. So that's also been bullish, that there is talks of peace. Now, if the war does end with Russia and Ukraine, it would be very likely that there would be a very massive breakout immediately following that, and that could actually cause a massive bull run, not just for a couple of days, not for a week, but maybe for weeks or even months. So that's happening. We also have the Ethereum merge taking place. Ethereum is now converting into the Ethereum 2.0. A part of the Ethereum 2.0, which means that they're going to be moving from proof of work to proof of stake, so that instead of miners making the money mining Ethereum and validating the transactions, it's going to be the people that are node validators that stake Ethereum that will be taking the place of the miners. This is a very interesting thing, and that's why Ethereum is actually starting to outperform Bitcoin and the whole market. So Ethereum is looking very bullish. Bitcoin is looking bullish. Interest rates were finally raised. We talked about it yesterday, and I said, guys, I think actually that this event that people are anticipating, that, the Fed is going to be raising interest rates, is it going to crash the market? I said, I actually think it's going to be a bullish event. Not only a bullish event, but I also said that the inflation reading was going to be most likely a bullish event. And these things are continually happening. So while there is potentially bad news out there, inflation, interest rates, cryptos are going up. And this is a very, very good sign. So if we get back to technical analysis, what we can see and understand is that world adoption is taking place for cryptocurrencies. There are dollars collapsing, like the US dollar is collapsing. There are economies collapsing all around the world in hard assets, gold, silver, cryptocurrency. Certain things are going up in a rapid pace. So it could be very, very likely that during this time of crisis around the entire world, that cryptocurrencies are the answer in these times of need. And that's why cryptos are going up, and most likely going to continue to go up in a rapid fashion. Now, this type of news, this type of understanding in the crypto market, this type of adoption that is taking place, developing a strong use case for cryptocurrencies, is what will take cryptocurrencies to the next level. That is surely a fact. None of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. But let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. Do you think that some of the things that are happening with the economies collapsing, with dollars failing, inflation. Do you think that these things are going to be the cause to push cryptocurrencies up in the long run and also even in the short run? And let me know some of the cryptocurrencies that you are holding below, especially your top favorite cryptocurrencies. Mine is Bitcoin and Ethereum at the current moment in XRP. So right now, what we are doing is we are waiting for these potential breakouts to take place, Ethereum and Bitcoin. And as we are approaching these resistance levels, we are looking for the breakout, which means we are waiting for cryptos to come up and test this resistance level. What are cryptocurrencies going to do? Are they going to get rejected, come down and continue to trade inside this pattern, or are they going to break out? Now, we do know that when cryptocurrencies in these symmetrical or any type of triangle patterns, once the pattern becomes about 70 to 75% full, that's generally when the breakout starts to ensue or take off. So we are getting very, very close to the potential breakout. Being that the market is bullish and being that there's a lot of very good and positive things, I am actually expecting a pullback. I am expecting us to get rejected off of this resistance level and maybe consolidate and then try again with a very big move. That's my opinion. But what could be the likely scenario is that here very soon, we will start to break this resistance level for Bitcoin. We start to break out of this pattern and get some strong bullish momentum. But I'm also certainly, based on the historical data, that every time Bitcoin and Ethereum come up to these resistance levels, they get rejected and come back down inside the pattern. Based on that information, it's more likely that we will get a rejection and come down before we start to head up again. But there's also a strong possibility that we can continue this bullish momentum, break the resistance level, and start to break out and see a really big move in the crypto market. So there's two potential really big scenarios that are going to be taking place here very, very soon that we have been calling out for weeks. So we're just going to be sitting back. We're going to be watching how the price action moves with patience, and that's going to tell us exactly what the next moves are for the crypto market. Now, if you want to get access to my alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, when to sell, when to take profits, not only with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but a whole bunch of other bullish altcoins out there, go ahead and join the Patreon where you can speak to me on the phone. We can go over your portfolio once a month. I have a whole bunch of services over there to make you money in crypto. We have free telegrams, free discords, check it out. And also, if you want to learn technical analysis, you can call out these future plays, make really good money, and learn technical analysis, go ahead and join my course. It's only 66% off. It's a video series course. Highly recommend it. It will get you grounded with investing and trading in cryptocurrencies. If you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital account, my link in my video description below. If you open up an account, you fund it, they will give you $100 of free Bitcoin. Definitely hop on the phone with them, set up a call. Highly recommend it so you don't have to be taxed for many years. Now, if you got something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate your support. Blow up the comment section, share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later. Have a great one.